Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to split and rejoin original source clips in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're editing a video project and need to cut out unwanted sections or rearrange your footage, knowing how to split and rejoin clips is an essential skill that'll make your editing workflow much smoother. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you're in, you'll see the main interface with several tabs at the bottom of your screen. Look for the tab labeled Cut and click on it. This tab is specifically designed for faster editing workflows, making it perfect for splitting and managing your clips efficiently. Now let's talk about splitting clips. DaVinci Resolve gives you two different methods to do this, so you can choose whichever feels more comfortable. For the first method, start by adjusting your playhead to the exact point where you want to split the clip. The playhead is that vertical line that moves across your timeline as you scrub through your footage. Position it carefully because this determines where your clip will be cut. Once your playhead is in position, look over to the left side of your screen and find the Timeline Actions icon. Click on it and you'll see a menu appear with several options. From this menu, select Split Clips. Your clip will immediately be divided into two separate segments at the playhead position, giving you more flexibility to work with each piece independently. Now here's the second method, which some editors find even quicker. Again, adjust your playhead to where you want the split to happen. This time, instead of using the Timeline Actions menu, look on the left side for the scissor icon. It's pretty straightforward, just click that scissor icon and it will instantly split your clip at the playhead location. Both methods achieve the same result, so feel free to use whichever one fits your editing rhythm better. Let's say you've split a clip, but now you need to rejoin it. Maybe you changed your mind or split it in the wrong place. DaVinci Resolve makes this super simple. Position your playhead right on the point where the clip was split, basically where the two segments meet. Then click on the Timeline Actions icon again on the left side. This time, from the menu that appears, select Join, Match, Edit Clips. This command will seamlessly merge the two split segments back into one continuous clip, as if the split never happened. And that's it. You've just learned how to split and rejoin clips in DaVinci Resolve using multiple methods. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.